Welcome to Fun and Sun with Rakshu
and Sun.
We are overwhelmed to know that our 1-minute recipe video has brought out the hidden chef in you. We are looking forward to your continuous support.
This is our 25th video, so we thought of doing its all-time favorite, pudding. Let's get started.
To make caramel pudding, we need milk, corn flour, sugar, vanilla essence and unsalted butter. Take half liter of milk in a heavy bottom pan and bring it to boil. Then let's do the caramel. Add half cup, that is 8 tablespoons of sugar in a pan and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And mix it gently. When the sugar dissolves and turns brown, remove it from heat. Make sure it doesn't burn. Now add it to the boiling milk. Be careful while you pour the caramel into the milk. Don't pour the caramel in cold milk because the caramel will become hard. Stir well to make the caramel mix evenly. Now mix 4 tablespoons of corn flour with some cold milk and add it slowly. Stir continuously in medium heat for 1 minute. Add few drops of vanilla essence and mix it well. Make sure that there are no lumps. When it becomes thick, switch off the stove and transfer it to the serving bowl. After it cools down, keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Do not keep it in the freezer. Now our caramel pudding is ready to taste.
To make chocolate pudding, we need corn flour, cocoa powder, milk, sugar and vanilla essence. In a bowl, add 6 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix it with milk. Now take half liter of milk in a heavy bottom pan and add half cup, that is 8 tablespoons of sugar. Add few drops of vanilla essence and mix it well. When the milk comes to boil, pour the cocoa powder and corn flour mixture to it. Stir it continuously for 1 minute. Make sure that there are no lumps. When it becomes thick, switch off the stove and transfer it to the serving bowl. If you wish, you can add crushed biscuit to it. After it cools down, refrigerate it for minimum 1 hour. Don't keep it in the freezer. Now the delicious chocolate pudding is ready. Enjoy both the puddings with your family and have fun. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for new updates.
If you have missed out our 1-minute recipe video, click here and